Welcome back to Two-Way Radio Center. This video is going to be all about the programmable key functions of the ICOM IP110H. This radio has two buttons that you can program to perform different tasks. You can program the CLR and the menu key to conduct different functions. Simply hold down the key for 1 second and it will perform the assigned function. You can only assign one function to each key at a time, but there are 7 different options that you have. You must go into Controller Web Interface to assign and program the different options. You can change the settings and enable or disable the functions whenever you would like. The first option is a message function. This selects an often used message to send to whomever you would like. The next option is the one-touch function. This selects an often used call type or call to party for easy and convenient calling. Next is the clear down function. This hangs up a phone call. There's also a mute function that you can program that mutes or unmutes the received audio. The notification tone is not muted, so you will still be able to know when you have received a notification. The next possibility is an emergency function. This is a super easy, convenient, and safe way to transmit a call in case of an emergency. You simply hold down the key until emergency is displayed and it will send the call. You can also cancel an emergency call with this feature. There is also a playback recording function that will play back the latest recorded audio. The last option is a temporary audio level. This feature will temporarily change the audio to a preset level that you have assigned in the controller interface. All of these options are made available to you for quick and convenient use. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about this radio or would like more information regarding the radio or purchasing, give us a call at 855-770-7194 or check us out at twowayradiocenter.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like it. And don't forget to use coupon code YT for 10% off your next order.